guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a video on unboxing review, and I'm gonna show you guys a hair that I bought on Amazon. It's really nice. So if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. So I bought these hair bundles, the butterfly fall lock crochet hair from Beauty Beyond. So this is the packaging that it comes in, and I also received 4 hair accessories. I received a crochet needle and also a pair of lashes. So I received 6 bundles of this hair. Six bundles. So this is what it looks like. So it's each bundles contain 12 strands, and this is what it looks like. It's really thick and I really love it. And this is in the length 10 inch, and I really can't wait to install it so you guys can see, but I'm gonna be leaving a link in the description bar below so you guys can purchase if you wish to purchase. It's really nice, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. So it's from Beauty Beyond on Amazon, and you guys can go ahead and purchase if you wish. So this is what it looks like, and this is enough to do my hair. I think I'm gonna have leftovers because my head is really small, you know, so I really like it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment, turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified of my next video. And thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.